Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to do a mixture of Godzilla and Kirby as one character. So let's get started right now. Okay, let's go over a mixture of Kirby and Godzilla. All right, let's do this. I'm going to turn the paper this way. Okay, let's go over here now. First thing I'm going to do is start with kind of the curve Kirby himself. The curb ball, okay? So it's going to be kind of a half circle right here. So we're going to go right here. We're going to, whoops, so the marker's kind of dry. 1 second. Let me trade it. Okay, cool. Curve right here, like a top half circle, like the top of an orange or something like that. Just anything like. Okay. I'm going to continue the circle over here. Like so. And I'm going to continue a little bit more right there. I'm going to leave this side open, okay? The reason I did that is because some people have a very hard time doing a whole circle, including me, by the way. Sometimes it's hard to do, like, a complete circle. So it's good to do it slowly and deliberately, and you have, like, a lot of leeway with that. So just kind of hoping that, you know, that'll make it easier for you. Let's go over here to Kirby's eyes, and I want to give him, you know, kind of angry eyes, because Godzilla is a tough guy, right? Line like so, line like so. And I'm going to go right here and draw like a U shape down, up. Right here, U shape up. Circle right here, circle right here. And I'm going to fill it out. And I'm going to fill it out. All right. So far, so good. Now, so Kirby's mouth, right? Or Godzilla Kirby. What would this character be named, by the way? Godzilla Kirby, what would it be? So, line across. Some teeth coming down, right? Because Godzilla's got teeth, and you want Kirby to be vicious. That vicious part is very, very important. Do a little bit of a circle right there on the cheek, circle right here on this cheek. Okay. And let's go over here to, well, okay, the next part I'm going to do is the hands. So we're going to curve down, down, and I'm going to have little spikes at the end. Very similar to kind of like Pikachu's hand in a way, as spikes. So that's one hand on this side. We're going to go over here on this side, pull out over here. By the way, don't forget, hit the like button if you enjoy these kind of mixtures. I love doing them, but absolutely hit the like because it helps the algorithm out. If you can, please, you know, thank you so much for being here. I'm going to go over here, do the exact same thing on the far end. Spikes over here on the far end for the hand. And I'm going to go over here now for the feet. So, huge feet. Curve out. And on this foot, I'm going to do the same thing, but like these prongs at the end, the little, you know, Godzilla feet. Actually, I'm going to do this. I'm going to do a little differently. That one I'm going to do some lines on there. So, for example, over here, I'm going to do the same thing and throw some lines over here and some nails at the end of it. So, I'm going to close that off and put some nails at the end of it. All right. That looks better, in my opinion. Okay, let's go into some of the most distinguishing parts. The spike, so upward right here. Let's start with 1, 2. This one, another one right here on top. And now we're going to go up and draw the first one that's like an actual, right, big old spike in the back there. Over here as well, they're going to overlap a little, of course. And right here, and it's going to get smaller as it goes down behind there. Go back over here, and we're going to pull out the tail. So, right on. You got that tail in the back. Let's put a line over here underneath, and we're gonna draw a kind of the snake belly area of the tail. And then we're gonna draw a curved line down here for kind of the belly portion of the bottom. So one more thing we're gonna do is we're gonna draw a thicker line around the outside, and that's gonna make it look kind of like a sticker. FYI, we do have stickers. Go check out the links in the description. There are all kinds of cool stickers. Go take a look. Right over here, out over here, down. There we go. Curving out over here. Downward, just continuing. There we go. And maybe throw some little lines for like some texture on the spikes. There you go. That is it. I hope you enjoyed that. Stay with me. We're going to do another drawing lesson. By the way, share this video if you can. It really helps out. Thank you so much. But stay with me. Let's do another drawing lesson together right now. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.